So hello and a very warm welcome once again to the Power Up webinar. And this time it is extremely special because we are here today launching our Super Powered Up community, which is actually launching now, but we already have members who have enrolled, and I'm so glad and I'm so excited. And you all know I'm always so excited, and today is actually the day to be excited. So thank you everybody who has joined in. Let me just quickly tell you about me. My name is Jaya Obhan, and I'm the founder of Power Up Business Community now. I have initially been the founder of Jaya Obhan Training Systems, and we do a lot of corporate trainings with the corporates. And I have also been a psychotherapist, and hence I do one-on-one consulting also. So thank you for being here. And today on this launch, we have Omkar Kapoor, but I will not introduce him now. Just hold on. Let me first tell you about this community so that, more people join in. And when Omkar speaks, I know I'm not going to get attention after that. So I'm going to quickly finish what I have to say. Please, is that okay, Omkar? Will that be okay?
Absolutely perfect.
Thank you. Thank you. So let me just share this screen. Okay. Okay. Is the screen visible to everybody? Or is it just me still being seen?
No, there is the screen.
Yeah, we can see.
Yeah,
we can see it, Jaya.
Okay. So
Yes,
let me just quickly share what is Power Up all about and why are we here today? Kidhar chala gaya? It's gone again. Okay, why is it not? Is it visible to you guys or is it? Okay, it's now here. Okay, so what is Power Up all about and why are we all here? This is a big business community which has been brought into the picture because during this COVID and even before that, I was hearing a lot about, businesses are not being able to reach out people. It's very slow, almost closed down. Entrepreneurs were facing a lot of challenges in reaching their target markets and, work has stopped all across the industries. Only some industries are definitely booming, especially those which have been online. But starting from entertainment industry, I'm sure Omkar will also agree, has also seen an all-time low at this point, and many other industries have actually seen an all-time low during this time. And even before that, there was a little bit of recession already going on. So when I came across this problem, it urged me to, do something wherein I could bring entrepreneurs together. So I kept doing a lot of interviews. I kept, talking to a lot of people. And then Sanjay and Abhijit have really been, I can give them a lot of credit to help me start this community, to help me get a vision for what exactly and how exactly we need to move forward. And that's how we are here today. And what is Power Up? So quickly, I will tell you, it's a platform to create your brand visibility if you're an entrepreneur, with organic and interactive audience base, along with an in-depth interview video created for your product. So apart from all the events that we do, which generates referrals, which also talks about speakers, which gives us a lot of training sessions, we also do a video-based chat show with you for your product. Okay, it's an opportunity for businesses to come together, to exchange work, to create opportunities, to know each other and what each other is doing, and accordingly, give them referrals either from their friends and family, from their associates, from their clients, or within the community. And now, even before the launch, since we have people who have enrolled, I'm very proud to say that work already started generating. Just now, Sanjay was asking Vidhi, has she spoken to one of her colleagues? Is because business has already started generating, and I'm hoping and looking forward to many, many more such associations and collaborations within our community. So that's about that. So learning sessions will be complete training workshops, which will be taken by the experts in the industry based on sales. It would be topics of digital marketing, maybe some of it being mental health, and a lot of things that entrepreneurs always require. So keeping that in mind, we have made the timetable accordingly for the entire year to do these training workshops. We will have speaker sessions, of which something is similar today also. Kajal, can we have muted everyone? Sorry. Something like today we have Omkar with us. Similarly, we'll have speakers who have been there and done that in their profession, and how they come across certain challenges, how they overcome those challenges. So some kind of brainstorming even we get to do when we listen to these speakers. So all of this is combined into various events throughout the year, and every week we will be having one event. Moving further, what are the opportunities? So like I mentioned, your brand awareness, your social media presence, skill development, and networking, all these things are taken care in this, because we give you a platform whenever you want to do certain workshops or something for your visibility. We help you, do that on our platform within the group and also on our social media. So that being that, a quick thing about me, I already introduced myself. But I started working 20 years back, wherein I was working full-time with corporates. Around 7.5 years, I worked with brands like Tata Teleservices, Reliance Infocom. Then I took a little break because I had my children were very young at that time. And then when I started off, I had to start off in a completely different way. 9 to 6 was not really possible. Hence, I did a certification with psychotherapy and got into corporate training, and hence started my company. Last year, I was also awarded the best motivational speaker and trainer of the year by Aspiring She. So you can trust me, I have done a lot of work. That's the reason I introduced myself. Okay, so I have already mentioned what we are doing. I'll quickly run through these slides. I will not take much time. So one chat show hosted and shared for each member of this platform. This does miracles, guys. So all the interviews that I did, a lot of people have come back to me saying that yes, they have already started getting inquiries and work and all that, and hence it, I'm very sure that this is a very, very useful thing. 12 practical learning sessions by industry experts, depending on the relevant topics which I just shared. 24 virtual or physical networking meets. Now, when I say either virtual or physical, we will always have this online, but we will surely have at least one physical good big event and meet each other across various chapters. 12 learning workshops on topics like leadership, sales, PR, communication, mindset hacks, etc. This and the speaker session. So it's 12 and 12, 24, 12 plus 12. Support of the community of entrepreneurs by WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, and Telegram. So right now we are running this group on WhatsApp, and that's the easiest way. As we grow, we will branch it out on various platforms. Advice seeking opportunities from our business associates who are senior industry experts. Now, who are our business associates? Sanjay Teli, Abhijit Sansgiri, Iona Hegde, Mr. Premraj Kapandan, and Mihir Koltharkar. They are all here, and they will also be talking to us shortly. So this is just what is in it for you. So it's learning, visibility, peer group, connect to industry expert, networking, and direct referrals, speaking opportunities. Just designed it in a certain way. So 12 and 24, 12, 12, 24, 48 events. So you can just see there's nothing much that I have to say about this. Now, who is eligible? If you're an entrepreneur who has the passion and who is serious about growing, I mean, really, we are filtering people who are currently not having any kind of vision. We can definitely help them have a vision and then bring them to the group. But we would really encourage people who have a vision to grow and grow multifold, because that's what we can help you for. So you would be a business owner or somebody from the sales or marketing, because you're looking at, making your business visible. You might need to have love for socializing, networking, and personal branding, because wherever we have people like us, and so many of us in the group are in love with humor and excitement and energy and all of that. So if that doesn't look like drama to you, I think you'll enjoy it more. Then a constant vision for self-upgrade and an industry where it's education, e-commerce, healthcare, and coaching. So if you are into any of these categories, you're most welcome to be here. The industry list I will also be sharing separately. If you fall into that category, this would be the best platform for you. Self upgrade is very important, and hence we have consciously kept this session every month where we do training workshops. And then coming to our membership fee. So currently we want people, more and more people, to take the taste of, you know, this kind of membership and take maximum advantage. And hence we are starting it with just 12,000 annually. Eventually we will see, but for the entire year, 12,000 is all that, you know, we expect. Because of this, we are going to be completely invested in giving you all the 48, you know, events. And also we would be in touch with you regularly to update you about what's happening, if there's any challenge you're facing and stuff like that. But for the first 50 members, we are giving it for 4,999, and of which some of the members have already paid in and have joined. 450 is the one-time registration fee. Kajal will be putting the details on chat in case if you might like to join in now, or if you might like to wait till we just finish the event and you know more about us and all of us, and maybe you can take a decision then. So that was it about what we are here for, what this community is about. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me on info@jayaobhan.com, and we would love to get back to you. Rahul from my team will get in touch with you, and we can take this further. Now coming to my favorite part of this show, where I am going to talk to Omkar, and we are going to be lucky enough to listen to his brilliant story, which is extremely inspiring. And I don't know if I'm even somebody who can introduce him. Everybody knows him. He is our Bollywood star. You know, he has worked in films like Pyar Ka Panchnama to Jhoota Kahin Ka and Masoom. So we kind of, most of us know him. His story is very interesting because there is a part of networking in the story. So it, you know, kind of connects how, you know, he is here and what we can learn from him, how we can become better professionals while networking. So let me not go further. Omkar, let's over to you. Please tell us something about you. How do you think networking helps us build professional relationships? How has it been for you? So over to you, Omkar. Welcome, first of all, and thank you for being here.
Well, first, thank you, Jaya, thank you, Sanjay sir, and thank you all of you all for being here. And I think all of you all have achieved a lot more than you know, and probably some of them will achieve in the coming time more than me. So I feel honored very out here to speak like that. I'm very young compared to all of you all, so I don't know whether I'm the right person to speak or not. But a little bit of experience that I've had and a little bit of journey that I've had till now in my life, I feel, I think, not just in my field or any other field, I think networking is something which is extremely important, which is very vital, which is very, which is what I think your momentum at your work, I think, kind of somewhat comes through that as well. You know, how accessible people are to each other, and you know how, you know, and you know, so actually I'll start off with this. Someone, you know, very wise once told me, you know, he said a line actually, and which made a lot of sense to me. And I think he said, you know, Omkar, your network is your net worth.
Yes.
So in a way, it what happens is it also boils down to, you know, what is the, you know, the kind of people you're connected with from your field, and how available, accessible they are to you. And जैसे हम, अगर मैं इसे हिंदी में बयां करूं, या हम पर्सनल दायरे में देखें, या अगर हम अपने पर्सनल रिलेशनशिप्स में देखें, फैमिली एंड फ्रेंड्स एंड यू नो कलीग्स एंड स्टफ, जैसे हम रिश्ते कहते हैं, you know there's a give and take in everything. And I think that is what is very vital, important, I think. And yes, not just my field, I think any field, networking is very important, and the more you have it, the more bigger, the wider your network, the more I think faster you get there where you want to get in life. I think it's one of an added tool to your kit of reaching there where you want to reach.
So
So yeah,
we want to hear that story. There was a story which Sanjay told me you have, and you also told me. I will talk about it that day.
yeah. I mean, it's very off the topic from what we are talking about today. But so a few weeks back, I happened to lose my dog, and he happened to run away. Actually, he was missing for a few days, and I was trying to find him through via people, and a few people, and uh, I was a little worried also. And then I happened to, via connecting people, came across Sanjay sir, and that's where I met him, and that's where I spoke to him, and he was really helpful, and he was really kind to kind of set up a kind of a set of people to kind of look out for the search for it. And I had no idea that there is something like this that also exists I had lost hope on it. And he happened to kind of I was told that he's a very big dog lover, he's a very big pet lover. So I said, okay, एक इंसान का दर्द दूसरा इंसान ही समझ सकता है. So I think he kind of understood that, and he was really helpful, and he, through his network and through a couple of more people, and with the chain of that people, via someone saw someone, then informed somewhere, and we got to know, okay, he's somewhere there. And through I think a chain of 6 people it took, that we happened to find my dog back. And then I think it was surprising, and it just amazed me, okay, this is something that is also possible via networking. So something so small, something probably, you can say like, this was more on the human relationship side, but a chain of people kind of happened to solve a problem which seemed impossible probably without a chain of network. So I think that is one of the that is where it kind of made me understand, okay, how important networking is in something like this as well. So
Omkar, I would like to add something. Okay, very, very important learning for all of us. His dog name is Rancho, and me and my wife were watching a TV, and suddenly my wife said, Sanjay, look, this very nice dog lost. His name is Rancho. And then I called up a gentleman, because there was a, number where, if you find Rancho, you call up. His name is Vaibhav. And then, we came to know that he came for, a bath here because he stays in Warsaw, and he came to Borivali East. Now just imagine from Borivali East, when he was just, cleaning him or something like that, by that time the dog, because he was just in search of, I think, his owner. So he just gone down and lost, and it was a 1.5 day. So he traveled from east to west. This is important because we all within the 5 kilometer radius, we kept all the people.
Can you put the spotlight on Sanjay?
It is on him. It is on him.
Okay, yeah, on the second.
On your mobile, maybe you keep it on the first screen.
Got it.
Okay. So I was just saying how we identified is because just a human network, and people just started finding him. And again, in search of his own owner, he traveled from east to west, and it's a small dog. It's not a very big dog. Let's understand that. Rancho is it's like it's a beagle, because, we all love dog lovers. So I'm saying it's a networking which works on the human side, which is important. That's what I would like to highlight. And that's how I came to meet, I know Omkar from there. Just to tell you how, and again, we become very good friends. That's most important.
How
I
nice.
sign off. Thank you.
Super.
True, sir. Rightly said. Well said.
Yeah.
Yes, Omkar,
Please,
would you
Omkar,
like
you
to
continue.
Yeah.
Yeah, continue, please.
So yeah, I think that's how. This was just probably one of the examples of networking and how it works and how effective it is, how helpful it was. And I think whether the use of it is there or not, I think a chain of it is always good to, you should have it at any given point of time in your life. And yeah, I think it just helps. It just probably just makes it easier.
Absolutely. I have complete faith in networking, and hence I was actually very, very open to having this networking community. So how I also met people, whoever has already signed up. I went for this Tony Robbins show last year at Singapore, and when I was in the flight, it was my first solo trip, so I was little reluctant about talking to strangers, but then I had decided I'm going to talk to whoever I think I can. And I slept off in the flight. When I woke up, I was taking the video of the flight landing, and I could see a man sitting right next to me. He was watching, and even I wanted his feedback as to, is my angle okay or what it is. So I kind of had that gesture that, what do you think? And he told me it's very good. And that man was Abhijit Sansgiri, and over there we met. Then we went to the stadium. It was a big stadium, 9,000, 10,000 people, and every day he would keep a seat for me to sit next to him, and we used to sit together, and there was some feedback we used to exchange. A lot of things on the Tony Robbins show were already something I had heard on YouTube. It was nothing new. But I admire him. He's my mentor and I love him. That is a separate thing. But what happened was networking, and many people from there are till today my friends, and I have brilliant relationship with them. And Abhijit introduced me to Sanjay, and then we met for the trainings and other things and all of that. And now they are like associates. And then he introduced me to Premraj. I did a program with them. So, all these things, all the people I kept meeting, all the interviews, Alok, Riddhi, all of these I kept meeting across LinkedIn, here, there, and we networked in such a beautiful way that today I can see synergies happening. So I am a complete believer that networking is the best and the best thing for anybody to enhance either their profession, their personal life. रिश्ते भी, शादियां भी तो ऐसे ही होती है, और क्या होता है? You found your pet, when you need people in help and you create that network, that's how we grow. So I'm very, very glad that today we are here talking about this, and this is actually happening. This has been my dream, and my dream has come true. So let's move forward. Let me take the privilege to introduce our business associates. First of all, let me start with Sanjay. Sanjay, please tell us about you, what you think, what is your vision is very big, but yeah, go easy and tell us what's your vision and what do you think. Tell us about you.
Okay, let me have a privilege of first, congratulating entire team, because Jaya put a thought process and everybody supported. So hearty congratulations. And this particular group is just a beginning, so it will just multifold, manifold, and it will go global. That's what the first vision is about networking.
Thank you.
Okay, and today in the networking, what we look for is just one is a friendship, what we need to look around, because that's most important today. Because people have either a business or some kind of a opportunistic approach and all that thing. That does not take you too long, because as you start thinking about others, then your business proposition gets into relationship. And networking is nothing but friendship and relationship first. That's most important. And I think this is what I feel, when we, in fact, let me just give you a little bit background about me, because we are angel investors. So we have, in fact, I am into 3 companies as a co-founder. One of them is into executive search business, which is spread in India, Singapore, Dubai. So it's a global networking where, we talk to CEOs and CXO level people and we connect with them. Second business I started recently, which is into InsurePay, which is a very interesting one where, when you pay your premium, you get reward points and you earn your premium back. That's interesting, business model. 10 years back, I started one more company, which is into wealth management company, Waterfield Advisors, which is managing wealth. It is again a very large company right now. And we invest a lot of people first. So we look at their attitude, their aspiration, their integrity, their business models, their revenue model, and we even if it is, money lost, no issues at all, but we inspire them, we motivate them. And that's important today. In fact, God knows today, this particular company will be a $1 billion company. It is the support of the people, and we are there, something where we can call upon and say, look, this is because of the people, because of the team, what we are actually, achieved. So I think it's a cumulative efforts, which is most important. So let's people start thinking about others. And I think it will be a golden moment, and I think it's amazing people coming together, which I can see. Even when I call up Omkar, I just said, are you available at this time? And he said, within no time, he said, yes, I am available. So this is very, very important to reciprocate, our relationship when we are there. And, these are, in simple words, we want to just say thank you. I sign off again, please. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. I think Sanjay rightly said this is a complete teamwork. I would definitely not have been able to do it on my own. And all those who have supported me, I mean, really, I'm very, very, very grateful. Gratitude with all my heart. And Omkar is one person I have seen is so humble. My God, he was like as he started, he said that I'm young. I don't know if I'm eligible to talk here. You are absolutely eligible, Omkar. You have achieved so much in whatever age you are. We need to learn from you, and there is so much to learn from you. So thank you, and I'm very glad that we still have such people, who achieve greater heights, but they are still so humble. And thank you for acknowledging that, Sanjay. Together, we will definitely grow. And thank you to everyone who's connected. Let's move on to Abhijit. Abhijit, let's hear you out. Please tell us about you. And actually, this idea was sown by Abhijit, and then Sanjay took it over and he took it to another level altogether. Abhijit, where are you? Why are you mute? Dalo inko spotlight.
Am I audible?
Yes, you're audible now. Yes.
Yeah. Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible.
Yes,
and
Yeah. So I would say I'll just take just half a minute. It's more about collaboration than just networking, because networking together, but the coming together is to collaborate and maybe to co-create. And I think for all this, it needs a very good person at the top who would bind all of them together. The key strength, I think, in all of this is you build good rapport with all the team members. So you go together, you develop together, you progress together. So Jaya's key strength is rapport building. I think she's the right person to lead this, and that's where I think the success of any tribe or any community would depend on how each one would look at benefiting the other person first, then himself. Because if somebody else is benefited, then naturally it will come back to you in some form or the other at some point of time. So we the giver's gain will always come back. So I think this is what I just need to say, and wish you all best. I think it's your big day and you should enjoy and celebrate it. Yeah, thank you.
thank you, Abhijit, for always supporting and mentoring and doing everything that you do. Thank you. Mr. Premraj sir, please introduce yourself, tell us about you, and tell us what do you think, something from you also.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Premraj. I'm an ex-banker and this is my second innings. Jaya, congratulations on the launch. You're a great networker. You need to be complimented on getting this team together. Thank you for getting me on board. I feel privileged to be part of this team. To the team, let us collectively aspire to share, give, and receive. With this dedicated team around us, this venture is going to go places and take people to places beyond their wildest dreams. This will ensure that the team succeeds. All the very best to everyone. Thank you.
Thank you, and great people joining in. Thank you, Premraj sir, for being part of this. Let's have Mihir. Hi, Mihir. Mihir has given the name Power Up. Actually, we had started off with online courses, and we changed the entire trajectory with so many beautiful people joining in. Hi, Mihir.
Hi, and so good evening, everybody. First of all, I think Jaya, you have done a fantastic job making sure that the entire team is put together. We have so many brilliant minds and so many brilliant hearts over here, all focused towards growth, all focused towards networking. So even what Omkar said, I think the power is in networking, and network is your net worth. So I believe that people buy from people they trust, and people will only listen to you if they like you. So when you have a power up community together working towards a common goal, these are the people who are going to trust each other, and they are going to trust each other's connections as well. So I think this is a brilliant platform for any entrepreneur to grow in this particular, especially during this particular challenging times. I have been in the training and development domain for the last 20 years, conducted more than 2,000 training sessions in 9 countries. I recently conducted a 10th one in Bangladesh, which was virtual event, and I specialize in sales and negotiation. So I'm very happy to be associated with the Power Up community, and my life purpose is to add value to people's lives. So through this particular platform, I intend to go ahead and add value to you all. So, and as well as all those new people who are going to join in this particular community. So thank you very much, Jaya, for this opportunity, and thank you very much for the entire team to come with a common goal.
Thank you, Mihir, for being part of this. You missed the first meeting, so you kind of don't know. You'll know the members now. But
Yes.
thank you for being part of this. We are banking on you to make us experts in sales, and how much we are going to sell, it depends on you now. You are in a spot.
Absolutely.
Okay, thank you. Let's have Iona. Iona is my support sister, my dear friend, and she is an excellent business coach also. She puts a lot of things into perspective and helps me think practically at times when I need to. So over to you, Iona. Hello.
Hi, Jaya. It's amazing to be on this platform. Congratulations to you. This is fantastic and a wonderful initiative. Power Up will definitely go to different places all over the world. Since we are talking about people and we are talking about connections, a psychologist or a psychotherapist will never be far away from people, okay? So I am a mental health and a wellness and a life coach. I do one-to-one solution-focused therapies for people who even want to do businesses or want to go ahead in whatever they want to do in life. It is my job to support. I play more of a supporting role in helping people achieve their dreams. And I am so thrilled to be a part of this group, and I am genuinely looking forward to meeting people and connecting and seeing how I can add value to this Power Up platform. Thank you so much for having me on board, Jaya. All the best.
Thank you, Iona. We are so glad you are part of this. Let's move on to our members who have trusted me and become the members even before this launch. And I would like to start with Riddhi, because when I just called Riddhi, she didn't even ask me what is what. She said, what is there, what has to be paid, just tell me, I want to be part of it, whatever it is that you are doing. So that kind of trust is something I really, it makes me, I'm humbled. Thank you, Riddhi. Please introduce yourself, tell us about you.
Sure. Thank you, Jaya. And I wish you lots of luck. And in fact, I was going to say that if Jaya is starting something, I have to be there. So, and you already stole my words, you see. Friends, I am a practicing child psychologist, a mental parents coach, and I advocate mental wellness for children and women. I run a private limited company that's a training company that's called RINS Academy Private Limited. And we work across with schools, corporates, even IIMs. And apart from that, I run India's first forum for women that's called Lajja. And Lajja works for the development and skills development of women, both in rural and urban sector. That's all about me. And I hope that I can add value to the community which Jaya has started, and may we together grow. Thank you so much.
Absolutely. We are looking forward to connect further. Let's have Ansi. Ansi, has she already joined in? Is she there?
Yes, Auntie.
Okay, Ansi, please tell us about.
Hi, my name is Ansi Lewis. I have been a communication skills trainer and also a small-time author of a small little book called How to Speak English Like a Pro. And that's all about me. Thank you, Jaya, and all the very best to you.
Thank you, dear. Thank you. Thank you for being part of this. And together we are going to make a lot of difference, I'm sure. So thank you.
I'm humbled. Thank you.
Let's have Alok. Alok, tell us about you. We are so thrilled to have you here.
Hi, Jaya, and hello, everyone. I'm so very happy to be here. First of all, I would really appreciate and congratulate every one of you, especially Jaya, for having your dream here, on the platform. And it was really nice to hear everyone, especially Omkar, the way you said your network is your net worth. This is really very much important for everyone in every aspect of our life. And also what Mihir said, he rightly said that people don't buy if they're not able to trust others. So we basically don't invest in businesses, we invest in people. And that's where network marketing or the power of network comes into place. So guys, myself, Alok Tank, I'm the co-founder and excellence coach at Eastern Mindfulness. So basically this is a mental wellness and mental health platform wherein we give mindfulness related programs and processes to individuals, companies, organizations, associations, nationally and internationally. Because of COVID, now we have shifted everything online. So it's all webinar based and online based approach that we take in. So that's what we focus on, especially when we look at the unfortunate times that we are going through, where we are not able to move around and meet people on the personal basis, but virtually and digitally, we can do wonders. So that is what we are doing. And when we talk about Power Up, that's one of the really good examples of this. So congratulations to you, Jaya, once again, and all the Power Up members. A lot of power and a lot of strength to all of you. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. And you introduced the term Golden, G-O-A-L-D-E-N, Golden Tribe.
Yes,
and
yes.
this will prove out to be a golden tribe. And we are going to really remember what Omkar said at this launch, that your network is your net worth. And it's more about people than business. And so what better could we do?
Actually, and basically, we talk about having a friend circle. We talk about having, people around us. So I always say this to my people and also my participants, that always have a golden circle where golden is like, it's spelled G-O-A-L-D-E-N. So this is a circle wherein everyone is helping everyone to reach their goals. So that's how we can work ahead.
Thank you for being a part of this. Let's have Ketu. Ketu, are you already here? We have
Yeah, I'm there. Hi.
Hi, Ketu. Good to see you.
Hi, Jaya. Hi, everyone. Thank you first of all for making me a part of this group, Jaya. And you gave me a lot of warm welcome yesterday, so it was a privilege for me. So basically, my name is Ketu Sekia. I'm the managing director of a company called Zeek Technologies Private Limited, and we are into business of technologies. Since last 2 decades, I am into this business. We basically, work for, we deal in sales and service of laptops, desktops, network products, and we do take turnkey projects also. So depending on your requirement, we are always here now. The technology is the part which is, it's a necessity. Along with, food, shelter, and clothing, we say that the computer is also a part of it. So I would be happy to help you in any such requirements and support the team. Thank you again for making me a part of it.
Thank you, Ketu, for trusting in this community. Let's have Vishesh Chaturvedi. He is one expert into the finance industry that we have here. Let's just talk to him. Vishesh, tell us about you.
Hi, good evening, everyone. This is Vishesh Chaturvedi, and I'm a management graduate. Started my career since 97. Since 2001, I'm practicing life insurance. First 4.5 years, I was employed with ICICI Prudential Life, then 1 year, 3 months with Tata AG, and last 5.5 years with Reliance Life Insurance. At Reliance, I read this sentence when it was written or it was said by Mr. Ambani, saying that if you don't have any dreams, someone will hire you to achieve his dreams. So from that day onwards, I started seeing dreams and was just waiting for gratuity to start with Reliance. In March 2013, I have completed 5 years, informed they are planning to start my own venture. And it took them 6 months to relieve me. Since 2nd October 2013, I am full-time LIC advisor. And from past 4 years, I am being part of MDRT. MDRT is a $1 million roundtable.
Someone got unmuted, sorry.
$1 million roundtable. So it's the third highest ranking for insurance agents across the globe. In India, we got 3.5% people getting qualified across the industry. With LIC itself, we got 12 lakhs agents, only 5,000 get qualified. So I'm part of it from past 3 consecutive years. And this was the best, I mean, till now, this has become a best year for me, because otherwise I used to slog till December to achieve the target. Jan to December was the target to achieve MDRT. And this year, in July, I have already achieved MDRT. So I'm looking to get into next brigade of COT or TOT, which is the second and first highest ranking for insurance agents across the globe. I have already enhanced my business by taking care of entire portfolios of individual financial portfolios. So I take care of mutual funds, I take care of Mediclaim and life insurance. I run a company called Life and Investment Solutions. Thank you.
I can see that. Thank you. And you also got awarded for, I think, your achievement, right?
Yes. So MDRT,
Congratulations.
MDRT is an achievement. So it's yearly thing. So it's every year you keep on getting awarded, because every year you have to achieve the target.
Got it. Great. Congratulations for the award. And so glad to have you here, Vishesh. Looking forward to some great synergies. Let's have Nisha. Nisha, are you already here? After Nisha, we can have Payal, so she could be ready probably.
I don't think Nisha is here.
Okay. Payal, are you there, Payal? Okay, I can't see Payal also. Okay, let's have Parini then, for that matter. Parini, let's hear you. Please tell us about you.
Hi, my name is Parini and I am a fashion designer and a stylist. I run a boutique in the name of Parini's Designing Studio. And my main intention and motto to join this tribe is to grow international soon, where I would want to see my label hanged in the stores and also would say made in India. So that is my basic intention and I'm looking really forward and super excited. Thank you.
Wow, Parini, why did you not tell us about your achievements of making those celebrity gowns and all that? Why are you shy to share that?
Yeah. Okay. I already have celebrities sitting in front of me, so I got a little this thing.
So you must say no, he can recommend you. That's what networking is about.
True. So yeah, I have styled celebrities for their award nights like Star Parivar, Zee Cine Awards, Gold Petal Awards. So this was one of the achievements. And also I did a show that's called India Runway Week, which was held in Delhi. And I have got my fashion designing degree from the London College of Arts and Fashions. That is it. And Omkar, I'm expecting and looking forward for a few recommendations at least from your end.
Sorry.
Okay, thank you, Parini. You are so sweet. Okay, bye. Nisha is here. Let's have Nisha.
Nisha, you have to put on your camera. Put on your camera so we can spotlight you. Nisha.
Nisha, is there a problem in the network or something? Then we'll have someone else. Sebastian is already there. Let him introduce. Sebastian, tell us about you. Hi.
Hello, everyone, and congratulations, Jaya, for forming this community. And I would do everything in my power, to help this community grow. My name is Sebastian Coutinho, and I'm author of a book which is called on Amazon. So, okay, turn back the age clock. And what I do is I help people become more younger. I help them to have happy, healthier life. I help them to get good, radiant, flawless skin. I help them to have good hair growth. And I also help families who are going through this job loss challenges or business losses. So I help them with additional streams of income. You know, it can be through direct selling, it can be through network marketing, it can be through blockchain technology, it can be through insurance. But my core focus area is around anti-aging. So helping people with good skincare, good hair products, and good cellular nutrition products. And thank you, Jaya, so very much for getting me associated with this family. And I wish Power Up community all the very best. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Sebastian. We are so glad to have you here. Now, can we have Nisha, or then let's? Okay, Vidhi is
Hello.
here, so let's have Vidhi. Vidhi, you'll have to unmute yourself.
Jaya, Nisha won't be able to put on her camera, but we can hear her out.
Okay, great, no problem. Let's have Vidhi first, and then we can go on to Nisha.
Yeah.
Jaya, can you hear me?
Sorry?
Can you hear me now?
Yes, we can hear you. Go ahead.
Okay. Good evening, everyone. This is Vidhi here, and it's my pleasure to be the part of Power Up community. And thank you, Jaya, especially to get in touch with me and helping me to be the part of the community. And I would also like to thank Omkar personally for sharing his experience about networking and being the part of it and encouraging everyone. So, I'm a digital marketer. I have 11 plus years of experience working with lots of jewelers and now working with lots of people who are in help with social media, Facebook advertisement, Instagram growth, and etc. Digital marketing is an art of the it's a requirement basically at present because none of the physical stores are open. People cannot promote physically and all that stuff. So digital marketing is the core for every business at present so that they can come up with different ideas and they can showcase their product and services to millions of people at the same time. I help people to increase their income and impact and reach online, which in turn help them to grow monetarily and also networking. It also involves networking because they connect with lots of people all over the world. It is not restricted to any area or any gender. So thank you so much for making me part of this community, Jaya.
We are so proud to have you, Vidhi. Your network was not good. Otherwise, your energy is the main USP for which I wait to hear you. The way you speak, so much energy you have. Like you're a small packet bomb is what I call you. So yeah, thank you. Let's have Swapna, and then we'll have Nisha because I can see Swapna.
So, hi Jaya, hello everyone.
Hi.
Once again, thanks for having me part of this community, Jaya. And I was just remembering, few months back we met for the end and landed up here as part of this. So I'm representing Sprua Life Coaching with my co-founders Aarti Baj, who's also in the call, and Sachin Mulye, unfortunately could not join. You're all talking about Sangachatvam here. Sangachatvam is the word in Sanskrit which means that let us all move together and grow together. So it's been there since ages. I think this networking concept probably is new, but in our culture I think this was already there. And so as a life coach, before life coach I worked with the IT industry for about 16 years, traveled across the world for work as well as I love to travel. And then as a life coach, we believe we all have one life and we want the best of everything. So why not the best version of yourself? So as a life coach, it's our aim to get out the best from you and you see your best version and achieve whatever you want to do in life. Yeah. So thanks again, Jaya.
Thank you.
And good
Looking
luck to
forward
everyone.
to working together. Lots of work doing together.
Sure. Same here.
Thank you. So yes, Nisha, we can have you now. You can speak, maybe even if we cannot see you, no problem. So
Hello,
it's my
can you
face.
hear me?
Yeah, it's my face and it's Nisha's sound. So yeah, go on. I'll do the
Yeah,
lip sync.
can you hear me? Am I audible?
You're audible.
Hello.
Yes, you're audible.
So, okay. First of all, I would like to thank you as well as the members out here who has given me the opportunity to be a part of this wonderful network. And I have been part of other networking groups also. I know how networking helps and how much it is required in our day-to-day life. But today, after hearing so many things from other people, it's like in every network, you will find lots and lots of things to gain only. And you will continuously and evolve yourself and upgrade yourself to become a better person, better version of yourself. Apart from the learning phase, the main intention or agenda to join this particular network is to increase my business plus to help others who are in the same genre or who want help in the things which I am expert in. So I do a lot of video editing, graphic editing, and mostly on the shelf branding. I am from printing and packaging background. So a lot of people want to style their product, want to bring out their products in a more stylish way. So I help in that kind of approach. It is wonderful meeting everyone. Even the pre-launch was very good. Thank you very much once again. That's all I would like to say. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Mr. Chennulu, you are also here. Could we hear you? We have not been able to meet you in the earlier meet, and you're a member. Could you please introduce yourself, sir?
Yeah. Yes. Are you able to hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
Yeah. Actually, I'm scared to press that video thing because when I tried to press it in the beginning of the meeting, my computer got stuck and I had to shut it down and then restart it again. Okay.
I can be the face for you also. No problem.
Yeah. I what do I say about myself? I had a setback in my life as far as my health was concerned, and I struggled hard for 12 years, and I came out of the problem. And then in the process, I came across, I used about 50 technologies to recover my what do you call regain my health. And in the process, so what I found out is my technologies will be useful for the modern day people who are having lots of lifestyle diseases. I had worked hard for about 2 years, and then right now my content is almost 90% is complete, and I'm almost ready with my presentation. I finally designed a product which is a 5-day workshop with about 50 hours content, and this program title is 23 GHP and more to quantum leap our well-being.
Okay.
So GHP stands for good health practices, and more is more practices and a lot of free courses from me. So that's what right now I'm doing, and I wanted to. This is my USP to propagate my business. My business is consulting business. Wellness consulting is one dimension, and that's where I want to project in this particular community.
Great, sir. We are very happy to have you on board, and it's an extreme pleasure to hear you also. And I hope that in the next meet we also get to see you. So thank you so much for joining in.
You can also have Rajan Umralkar, who is joined. I think he's there. So you can have him introduce himself. Rajan is a close friend of ours. I think he's here.
Okay.
Rajan Umralkar.
Okay. Kajal, just see if you can highlight him, and then Kajal, after that, it should be you, my dear friend. Thank you for hosting this also.
Yeah, I think Rajan has left the meeting.
Okay, fine. Okay,
I think because of network, some people are coming and joining back. So once he's here, we can. Kajal, let's hear it from you. Kajal is my dear friend and she supports me always. And today she is co-hosting this, helping me out with the technical stuff with Zoom. So tell us about you, Kajal.
Jaya, 1 second. I would just like to pause for a second. I just need to pee very badly, so I'm just taking a pee break.
It's all about nature's call. Please go.
It's all about nature's call. So meanwhile, you'll continue. I'll be back in 2 minutes. Yeah, I'll join you all back.
Sure. Thank you. Yes, Kajal.
Yeah, should I continue?
Yes, please.
Yeah. Okay, so hello everybody, and thanks a lot, Jaya, and thanks to all the members who have joined and are encouraging each other here. Definitely, like everybody is saying, networking, and it's humans who help humans. So, that's how we are going to grow. And so I am myself Kajal Savla, and I am an Akashic Records reader. I would just repeat because that doesn't resonate very soon with everybody. That's Akashic Records reader. So basically, Akashic Records is like a GPS or Google for all of y'all, because GPS and Google will not answer your questions about your life, about your relationships, so we get stuck in lot of things all the time in life. We have a lot of questions. It's not only what, but even why this happened to me. And sometimes it's just like once the doctor tells you what the cause is, the root cause, you are little relieved. Okay, something will, now I know what to do next. So, this helps you in a lot of ways, the records.
Hi.
So you can... Okay, Omkar is back.
Hi.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Yeah, so that's about me, and welcome, a very, very warm welcome to each and everyone. Looking forward to really grow, like Sanjay says,
Session is still going on, so
9,000.
that session is on my desktop. This is on my laptop. So both the sessions on.
Abhijit, you will have to mute
I
yourself.
had a session at 3:45. Then I attended your session at 5.
Mute
I
him.
left it midway.
Yes,
then I
yes,
left
yes,
your
I will
session
do
at 6.
He muted. Now we can continue.
Okay. Yeah. So that's what it's all about. A lot of things like this happen, especially when I'll be on the screen. So a lot of humor, a lot of fun, and a lot of sudden things. Nature calls, a lot of things.
Yes,
so
yes, absolutely. Looking forward to that.
that makes that makes it
Actually,
very special.
none of you know, but Abhijit's wife is a divorce lawyer. That's why he's so panicky always.
Oh, we get it. Thanks for the update.
Yeah.
We did that. And Alok, thanks a lot. I just love the term goal then tribe. So that it's amazing. Thanks a lot for that. Looking forward to connecting and meeting you all, not only online but in reality, because I really like to meet, feel, understand the aura and exchange energies with people, which is very important in today's time. So Jaya, I know this is an online platform, but at least one meet definitely soon. We have to do.
We will.
Thanks
definitely.
a lot, and welcome and all the best, and may we grow more and more with each other's support. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Kajal. And everybody who's here, whom I can see, Mr. Ajay Chomal, Anita Gosal, Balram Menon, Bhavik Damania, Mr. Chenuru already introduced himself. Dinaz is here, Hiren Shah is here, Hussain Harneswala, Jinal, Mr. Premraj we introduced, Ketu Kinjal is here, Lavina. And all of you who are here, guys, you can maybe put your videos on, and really we must explore the power of networking. We must all be together in this, where we can support each other, refer each other for more and more work. Try to be a support system for each other, where we help each other's business grow. And trust me, when we do that, automatically our own business, our own life is enriched. And that is my complete vision and my mission in life, that whoever is passionate enough, whoever has the urge to work, should be working, should have enough work and enough support, where they never feel that, oh my God, I don't have enough work and what do I do? So I think if we all pledge to see to it that we all can generate work for ourselves and others, and together we grow, I don't think there is anything that can hold us back. So thank you everyone for speaking up, and those who are attending this, if anyone wants to say something ask something, please feel free. We have already put the payment links and other details in the chat, but if you need to reach out and you need to have more details, please reach us out on info@jayaoban.com. And even now, if you want to ask anything to our members, our business associates, please feel free before we sign off, because we have crossed 1 hour, and we would love to engage with you, whoever is here with us for the last 1 hour. Anybody who would like to speak, please let us know. We will unmute you, or you can unmute yourself and please talk or ask anything that it is. Yes.
You could just raise your. I think Balram ji wants to say something.
Yeah.
Yes, sure. Omkar is
Basically,
also
I'm an ex-banker, and I'm associated with Abhijit Sanskri only.
Okay,
so basically, my motto in my life is to train the youngsters to get to the respective fields, in the working fields, youngsters. Basically, apart from the banking industry, I'm a yoga therapist at present.
Okay, wow.
I have my own. I trained so many corporates also, relieving the stress level also. I conducted so many webinars on yoga and give advices to the many of the corporates also. And good to meet that Jaya, apart from you, there Ayodha is there as a psychologist. So we can work together as a giving the stress level to all the corporates and see that how stress can add on better productivity they can get in their business life. Okay.
Definitely. Thank you so much.
Thank Abhijit also to introduce me to this platform.
We are very glad to see you, sir. Thank you so much for joining in.
Yeah.
So yes, thank you everybody.
I'll do the introduction. Fine, I'll do the introduction. Thank you. Yeah.
Well, since I would like to interrupt out here, and since I'm seeing Sanjay sir personally out here, I see you out there, sir. So I would like to personally thank you so much for the personal effort that you did, and also out here, this is the least I could do. Yeah, and I'm glad actually. You know what? Learning and hearing people from so many different fields out here all together for me was itself very enlightening. I think it's something that which is completely alien to me, to be really honest. But it was yeah, enlightening. Some of it, some people, you know, some of you all shared your experiences and what's important. It was really good.
Thank you, Omkar,
In
for
fact,
saying that.
yeah, I just wanted to add something very, you know, I just wanted to add this so that, you know, everybody can at least enjoy and laugh. See, more importantly, what I would like to highlight here is this is a very tender relationship platform, not a Tinder relationship platform. Okay, so that's very important for all of us to build it in a very, you know, beautifully with among the people. And what we have seen, you know, is lot of mental people, health people are here. So we will not be mental at all. So we will be all very much harnessed and will be well taken care of. You know, because all are very much there into psychology and many things. So we will always have our next friend, anything which we have, any kind of tension ball, anything, and we can just pick up the call and talk to anyone. And this is a very beautiful group, you know, and they have different things in life, and you know, they have achieved something. There is a life coach, you know, there is something which is we have never heard, which is like a, you know, I think I forgot the word, but you know, something comes from GPS. But I think something unique. So I think that's the beauty. And you know, a friend like Omkar is there. So whenever, you know, we have this kind of thing, he can join us, because we are also going to get large celebrities here. So, you know, we will invite, and I think this group will go much bigger. That's what I feel. But I thought, let me just add this. Okay, take care.
Yes, Sanjay, thank you. Means a lot. And all of you who have attended so far, heard us, please feel free to say anything that you might like to, because we are signing off now. And we can definitely stay connected offline. Thank you, each one of you, for being there. Please remember, this platform is only and only with the vision of growing together, doing more work, and supporting each other, and you know, being there for each other. And we always will, and I'm sure you will all agree with me, the members who are there, the business associates who are there. And now because Omkar has launched this, you know, we can maybe reach out to him. Can we, Omkar, for anything?
If you all ever want to be entertained, you know whom to call.
Yay! Yes. And Omkar, I would like to personally tell you this, that if there is anything, 1%, 1 bit, we can do something for you in your industry, we'll be very glad to do that. Please reach out and let us know. because
Thank
that's
you.
the least we can do.
I probably just expanded my network today.
Yes, absolutely, absolutely. Some of my friends were asking me, has he become a trainer or has he become a businessman? I said, no, he's still an actor, but he has a very interesting story about networking. So
No,
thank
but
you so much.
more power to Power Up, and I'm sure it's going to go places. It's going to, people are going to understand the importance of it, and people are going to, signing up more of it. And I think it's going to be a great venture.
Thank you so much. I think Siddhi Shingte is raising her hand for quite some time. I think she wants to speak. Hi, Siddhi.
Hello, ma'am. Can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you. Go ahead.
Yeah. Hello, my name is Siddhi Shingte, and I'm glad to introduce myself in front of you all. I'm 18 years old, and I'm aspiring to become a designer. I recently got into Left, and I'm hoping I get to know more about networking, then become such great people like you all. So thank you. From this webinar, I must not have gotten to know more about networking, but to be honest, I really got to know how education and knowledge and what role these two things play in our life. So thank you all. You all are great.
Thank you, Siddhi. So sweet of you. We're so humbled to hear that. And we are very glad you attended this. And very glad to each and everybody who has attended this today. Please reach out to us and please have your network, because network is your net worth. And I love this line, and I'm going to maybe use it in 1 or 2 posts also now. And let this be our golden, GOAL. Then, Alok, are you hearing me?
Yes, very much.
Right?
Very much.
And with Sanjay with us, we are never going to fall short of humor. And with all the mental experts with us, we are never going to have mental issues. So when you're mentally set, nothing can stop you. So we are unstoppable, guys. Thank you everyone for joining. And thank you for being here. I mean, I cannot thank you enough. I can go on saying 1,000 times thank you before we sign off. And it's because of you I could launch this. Thank you to the entire team who has stood by with me, and I owe this to you. Thank you so much.
Thanks, Jaya. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. Bye-bye. Take care.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Bye-bye. And good day. Thank you, Omkar. Once again, really, it was a pleasure, pleasure having you.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you,
Jaya,
everybody.
all the best and congratulations, Tripti here. And
Thanks,
we will
Tripti dear.
catch up later.
Yes, 100%.
Bye.
We will. Bye. Bye.
Thanks, everyone.
Thank you, everybody. Have a great
Hello,
weekend.
Sir. I'm a great fan of yours.
Okay.
Omkar, that's for you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. I'm glad you, we happened to interact today. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Yes.
Thank you.